Hi, I'm Mark, creator of Rise Up Radio Alarm for iPhone and Android. I'm going to show you how I took the largest smartphone in the world and turned it into the loudest alarm clock ever made. So I found this train horn on eBay, designed to be as loud as possible. It's rated to 145 decibels. Now to make it work, we need to ram air through it. We do that using these two compressors. So we hold down on speak time, changes to wake dead, and then if we hit preview, we'll see that it activated the compressors there. Now they're pretty powerful, and that's without them even being plugged into the horn. Unfortunately, this horn is far too loud to be used inside. Let's give it a go in the big outdoors.
Hi, my name's Brad. Recently I'm having real bloody problems waking up in the morning. I don't know what to do. Spoke to a mate who, funnily enough, has designed this fantastic app on the iPhone and the Android. Let's give it a bang. What the f*** was that? Definitely works, mate. Definitely works. We're now by the M1, Britain's busiest motorway. A little more challenging for our loud alarm clock.
You guys signed a disclaimer about your hearing, huh? Hey, mate, we did it in the cemetery. The guy wasn't too happy though.